fruit. I've got some peaches, 2 peaches.
Alright.
We're going to season them first with sugar. You know, if you've ever made
You are there.
a shortcake with strawberries and you toss them for sugar,
Alright, guys.
that the sugar pulls out
Today,
and so the more you
we're gonna play
flavor.
NBA 2K16, and we're gonna open a few packs.
Now, these stick to their pit, so that is why
Like 30.
cut it around the pit. Sangria is a wonderful fruity, infused wine drink from Spain that's sort of chilled that we love. And there's so many variations. You can do white sangria with white wine and white fruits. You can do
Are
red
you
wine, that's
kidding
really
me?
too. But I'm going to do mine with rosé. So on to my orange. Cut this in half. Cut it whatever size you want. This is fun. You can do whatever you want. I'll get rid of the end.
Oh my god.
And large slices or smaller slices. The idea
Are
being
you
that the
kidding
adds
me?
all of its flavor to the sangria, so that it's going to taste like
You
the
have to
orange
make
and
me
the
do
peach
that.
and the cherries.
Alright.
So that's one small orange, and then we're going to add a couple
Why
of
is it
cherries.
so
And
up?
I just want to show you I have this fun pitting tool. This looks like an instrument of torture, frankly. So here's how this one works. Here you see this. Oops. Okay, so it goes right in. So you take your cherry and you put the top part where the stem was right there. Let's hope I get it. It doesn't always work. And then you just put this through. Okay.
Oh my god. Stay off of my freaking
Old-fashioned way,
computer.
the same way that you remove
I swear to God, bro.
what I do all the time. You just take the side of your knife, dull side, so like that. And just go whack. And then you get them out.
Black Wisdom Coast. Now y'all can't even freaking see, bro. Hold up a second. I got it under control. There it is. I know. Where's the mouse?
Stir it up.
There it is.
Let it sit for an hour, and all of the juices from the fruit rolled out by the sugar and mix with the triple sec and
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Y'all wanted me to do the last chance packs. So I got 100k. Okay. Got 100k to open packs. Well, really, I got 550k to open packs, but I really don't want to use all of it right now. One of these packs, they're they suck, but they're good. Oh my god. So these are the packs. These are the packs that I'm doing now. Can't really tell the new freaking players that they added. I wanted to buy that Jazz player, but I can't really tell his name. It was Boss. He's a 96 power forward historic player. I just cannot see his name for crap. It's from 1999. I'm guessing Karl Malone. I should have knew that. Alright, so these are the packs that I'm doing. No, not Anthony Davis. We're doing these packs. We're doing these packs. There it goes. We doing these packs. First, give it to something. First, we're gonna look at that. Oh my god, what is wrong with this? I cannot. Oh, he already sold. Maybe I should have sold him for so cheap. I did sell him for really cheap. He was an 80 overall. 2,000 or something. Carmel.
They don't turn around. I don't know if you've ever had that situation. When you turn over the shrimp, the shrimp turns over too. But when you don't skewer like this, it doesn't happen.
That's one of the new ones. But that's not the new one. That's not the diamond one. I guess. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. It's time for the truth. X. Hold up, which one's cheaper? 4,000. 4 times 10 is 40. And a little bit more, so we're gonna go with these. I got two amethysts earlier. One out of 2 boxes. I mean, one out of every box, and I had 2 boxes. If that little arrow wasn't there, those would be pretty fresh. And the star, those would be pretty fresh. These packs are pretty lit earlier though. Yo. 500,000. I hate these packs because it freaking looks like an amethyst every time. I was getting a gold pretty much every freaking. I got him last time too. I was getting a gold every pack almost. I mean, like there was one pack where 4 out of 5 was gold, and I got it was J.R. Smith, but it wasn't that J.R. Smith. It was the retirement J.R. Smith. Somebody bought another one of my auctions. I'm gonna go look at it. Unless that was the first one. I don't know. I guess it was, but. To the metal bank. Well, at least it was a whole story, so I'm not mad. I can't believe they ain't lit no more. I like the one that was lit. There's Michael Jordan on the box. You cannot be lit if there's Michael Jordan. If you are not lit and there's Michael Jordan on your cover, your life is a failure. That's all I gotta say about it. I don't get at least one gold player. Dang. Watch it be Dwayne Wade. Ooh, Centenla. I didn't expect it to be a DPY. I'll show you what I got earlier today when we finish this box. Crap, I thought it was a freaking amethyst. It got me again. See, there's a gold card in pretty much every one, but seriously, bro? Hey, you ain't even on the Knicks no more. You on the Bulls, so. So let's talk about the playoffs. The playoffs was the other day. It was like, it's probably almost been like a week now actually. But I really don't like either team. Well, I like them, they're good and everything, but they're just not my team. This is butt. Oh! Never mind. I thought that was a bronze. I was laying my head down and it looks like a... It looked bronze from here. The palace. That's not a palace. You are wrong. That's... I get those freaking ugly Reeboks almost. I swear I got them ugly Reeboks right there 6 times earlier today in these packs. Are those shoes retired or something? You better show that too, Derrick Rose. Was that Derrick Rose? I think that was. Wait, that's a sign. Cause I got Jose Calderon, or whichever one it is. Then I got Derrick Rose. Okay. But the thing is, you get Derrick Rose, just got traded to the Knicks for Jose Calderon, and I got both of them. That's weird. That's really weird. That's a sign. I don't know what it means, but it's a sign that we're gonna get a bull. Joakim Noah. Bang, bang. Dude, these packs are lit. It's just, and there's a glitch. I don't know if it's anybody else has it, but I wanna show you. All right. Look at my card number. To collect the card collected. Like, right under that card. Look down, see cards collected. This is 541. I think this is my, oh, somebody else bought another one. It's probably one of my cheap ones, but who cares. Nope, 2 more boxes. We'll just flip all on this one. Chris Kaman. Chris Kaman, your mom. Got him. I swear that jersey is so ugly. Look at that Cavs. That's ugly. I just don't like it because of the collar and the horns. I like the Cavs. They're okay, but oh, back to what we were talking about, the finals. I really wasn't voting for either one of them to win because I like both of them, but neither one of them I really like. But, oh my god, it's so trash. So much trash. I just wonder who we're getting banged. Oh, I was gonna say we didn't even get a card, a player, but I didn't see the CJ McCollum. Alright, y'all see my card collection. It was 441, right? Oh, wrong button. First 6,000 for Carl Anthony Towns. I thought I put that up for, oh my god, I thought I put that up for 60,000. Bruh, that's so cheese. It don't matter. I got plenty. Alright. Well, I got 440 something. You'll see it somewhere around here. Oh, there it is. It's right under. It's right under the last thing. It says it back down in the corner. It says cards collected 542. There it is. Oh my god. Why is it doing this, bro? There. Collect 550 cards. I have yet to get to 550. The most I've had is 542. That's the most I've had. But look, I already got to 25,000. You can see the green dot, right there. Green dot. I already got to 25K, and I only had like 530 when this happened. I had 530. I looked at it and everything. I already got the gold fat liver, but I got him in a pack. I didn't get him out of that pack, but I already got him out of the pack. Honestly, the most thing I'm hyped for is this: the diamond, or that, the Hakeem Olajuwon, or the diamond John Stockton, or the Finals MVP, 150K. I'm not really. The Joe DeMars sucks, but I already had him. Back to what we was actually doing, and the other thing we was talking about, the finals. LeBron James won the finals. I like LeBron James, he's good and everything. Stephen Curry's the best shooter, and he only got 17 points. That's really one of the reasons they lost. Stephen Curry usually gets 26 points or more. So those other 9 points would have won them the game.
So please join me on Jazzy Vegetarian for my boredom picnic meal. Jazzy, you're gonna be happy with the Jazzy Jazzy, we're gonna cook something healthy and join me in the kitchen right now.
What? Oh, I thought I just bought. Oh, that's. Ooh! We did it. I told you this pack's are lit. I should be the most unlit person ever. Watch, I'm gonna make that one beside it turn purple. If you watch real close, see, oh, you see that? See that? Now it's a double purple. Hey. Speaking of Stephen Curry, he was just talking about you. See, he come to this pack to get back at us for talking about his team and them losing the finals. And he can't shoot. Well, he can shoot, but he failed at life. In the last 3 games, not just the first one, not just the second one, but all 3 of the last games. Games 1 through 3, they went balls. No, 1 and 2 they went balls. 3 they went unballs. The 4th one they went epic balls. And then the 5th through 7th they went totally unballs. They sucked, but hold up, bro, hold the crap up. I did spend more money. How did I spend more money? I only got 400 and, oh my god. I only got 430K. Watch. It's a glitch. Look, I only have 430K. I just had 475K. What just happened? I'm gonna review this footage and I'm gonna send it to 2K. Alright, we gotta go see what it is. Nobody likes you, Dirk. Well, I guess this is the 3rd box. Must be because... Crap, I didn't want to do the last box. Well, guys, I'm not opening my goals.
30 minutes, you can let it go for about an hour.
Alright. If I can guess which one is not the player, if I can guess the one that is the player, we will not. If I guess the one that is a player, we'll do another pack. Box. Crap. We can't. We're not doing another box. Oh, Dale! See, now his father's coming. See, alright, he planned it. It's him, it's Stephen Curry, Dale Curry. Dale Curry's coming after me now. They're all coming after me. Stephen Curry, Dale Curry. Where's Seth Curry at? Where's Seth at? They forgot Seth. Alright guys, if Seth Curry if we get Seth Curry, it's gonna be unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Ooh. Ooh. Angelo, you messed that up. That was a 3 gold pack. Watch. Look at you, man. You didn't even make it to the playoffs, bruh. You ain't nothing without LeBron. I don't want to hear nothing from you. The only reason I'm keeping you is because I want Jordan. Robin, you look like a freaking caveman, bro.
There we go. We're looking for kind of a dough-like consistency.
That man looks like a freaking caveman. Can't even freaking get my team gauntlet to work in. You know what? I'm gonna post this video, right? And we're gonna do a 2KMT game. Draft, and then we're gonna use that draft in a game, or at least using it in a freaking 3-point contest. I'll buy everyone. I don't care. I got enough money, so.
Make sure to get that chocolate incorporated pretty quickly to that dough. In order to form these lollipops, I do have to let the chocolate set up a little bit.
Didn't he turn his hair white or something?
Freezer for 15 to 25 minutes.
He's voting for Donald Trump, Dennis Rodman. He's voting for Donald Trump. Yes, he is. He is voting Donald Trump. Are you kidding me? That's the last pack, bro. Sorry, guys, but we're gonna have to wrap it up right here.
Strain out the ginger. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator. Let it cool for about 2 hours. Just pour it in the refrigerator.
And guys, that's gonna be it. It only took us 8 minutes to open all those packs. I honestly don't think something went wrong. I'm gonna look at that again. Alright guys, when we come back, we're gonna be doing a 2KMT Central pack of draft. We're gonna be a 2KMT Central draft, and then we're gonna use that draft. Watch, I'll show you what happens when I do it. You got it. Just because we can.
Just fresh picked. I actually bought asparagus and picking before. It's really a lot of fun. So if you have something like that in your area, it's a great activity to do with the kids. So I started off with one large bunch of asparagus, which of course I have trimmed, and I'm going to be steaming that.
What's my goddamn second card, bruh? See, this freaking crap happens every time. Well, not every time, but for some reason, what has happened? Alright. It won't even let us start because that card ain't moving.
We like the you in your
Whatever. We'll use it in a freestyle. We'll use that. Who the crap is D Brown? Alright, first I'm going to show you what I got in my last pack opening. This is pretty much what I got. I got Jamal Crawford. I got a few other players too. Jamal Crawford, Steve Francis, Elton Brand, Ron Artest, J.R. Smith, Dirk, LeBron James, and James Harden. And I got a couple more too. But that's gonna be all for this game. I mean, dude, these balls are expensive as freaking crap. This red yellow ball, this red ball and this yellow ball, I bet it's at least 60,000. Really, it's really expensive balls. That's funny. Alright guys. That's gonna be it. It's 26 goddamn minutes. Oh my god. It don't matter because it just don't. Alright guys, goodbye. Peace.